My video is about removing the online scam which is associated with the website Signaturewarrior.store. Some people may suddenly see these strange pop-ups by the site Signaturewarrior.store to attack their browsers, Google Chrome, Firefox, and other browsers too. Signaturewarrior.store indicates that your computer is horribly damaged by some malware and that you need to urgently fix it by downloading some software. The website Signaturewarrior.store claims that it is somehow related to the well-known security program, but it is not related to that program. So don't trust all these deceptive pop-ups by Signaturewarrior.store. They are absolutely faulty and deceptive. Don't interact with them. Now, what you should do immediately is to leave this page and not trust it. If any potentially unwanted programs were mistakenly installed, check the control panel of your computer and uninstall any programs that are suspicious. I would also recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and begin thoroughly researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.